Hello everybody and welcome to Big Matt's Computers. Well, another day, another build for a customer, and this is actually very similar to our last build that we featured on the channel here at Big Matt's Computers. Customer ordered a build here, which consists of an i3 2100. 500 gigabyte hard drive, a DVD burner, and we also have a GTX 1050, a bit more powerful graphics card than this one. So this one will be able to run all your basic esports titles like League of Legends, Rocket League, all those things, Fortnite comfortably, and Apex Legends, and also having some AAA titles at lower settings, GTA 5, no problem, and various other newer games. So yeah, this is the latest build for the customer, just installing the graphics drivers now for the graphics card, a GTX 1050, and ready to box this one up and ship it off to the customer. Alright guys, that's just the latest build here at Big Matt's Computers for our latest customer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time around at Big Matt's Computers. Thanks for watching, and bye.